Hey, what's good, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like OSAMASON. He's been blowing up lately. He went from like 5,000 monthly listeners to like, I don't know how much he is at right now, but yeah. Today we're gonna be covering X and 6 today, so yeah. So here's the little preview.
Lazy, I got kicked by dog, yeah. And her hips sucked up, yeah. Girl, it's so what? What a lean like, bro. I was just killing my double coat, yeah. I didn't say honest. You broke, you know about rice. Where's I'm at? Boy, look at that. Now on your ass. Tell us me back. I just did all bags. I was in 40 on not no J. Ace and sex, now I got your leg.
Yeah, so it's pretty accurate. So yeah, the preset's free and just download it from the description. So yeah, let's get into how I mixed it. B minor, retune speed 0, OSAMASON use crazy auto tune. This EQ right here boosted the highs by 6 decibels, 10,870 kilohertz, 4,197 kilohertz by 4.6. Didn't touch these. Dip at 246, 3.5 decibels, high pass to 148. Limiter, just it's gonna be like this click comp, and then 20.9 compressor threshold ratio 2.9, gain 5.5 decibels, and then release 81.8. Threshold 30.2. That's the limiter settings. Compressor, compressor 40.8, 10.3, 24.2 decibels. Soft and 8.8 attack. Sound geyser, A preset, about a quarter strength. This limiter. Fuck, I forgot to delete this. So yeah, delay, time 8.0, level 22, wet 21.8. Reverb, I think this is the default. And then I turned the high cut up to 6.1, low cut to 391. I didn't touch these. Mix bus 9%. Maximus, yes or narrow split band, and I clicked monitor and found the frequency and just turned it down. This EQ right here just frequency sweeps. I moved this up by 1.6 decibels. That's the main level. And then I did these dips right here. And this EQ, I dropped the lows at 313 by 3.4 and boosted the highs at 8 kilohertz by 6.3. So yeah, this is how it sounds.
I just took it and shut up. Lazy, I got kicked by dog, yeah. And her hips sucked up, yeah. Girl, it's so what? What a lean like, bro. I was just killing my double coat, yeah. I didn't say honest. You broke, you know about rice. Where's I'm at? Boy, look at that. Now on your ass. Tell us me back. I just did all bags. I was in 40 on not no J. Ace and sex, now I got your leg.
Yeah, it's pretty accurate. So yeah, I don't know what to say. Download the preset, I guess. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, check out my SoundCloud. And yeah.